Hello, hello. I just want to show you, make a note about the contrast on the Paper Pro. So black and white version, I'm just going to use my latest planner to show you, but so I've made this my garden planner. Now, I don't know if you can see, it's actually got a green, I don't know if you can see that. It's early morning here and the sun's out and I've got the blind up. So it's actually green, but maybe you can see it better when you tap on it. I don't know. But here's the deal. All right, now, if you have the contrast on adaptive, full page, I just want you to see something off. Now, the best way to see this on this main, here we go, the main menu, increase I'm going to put it on adaptive because that's what it automatically defaults. Can you see how it's like the opposite of good contrast, right? It just looks not great. I will show you the full page. Still not great. Now I will show you off. That is more what it looks like. Actually, I can show you on, and let me go to, that is the home menu. That's the same menu. When I automatically turn it on, it is in adaptive mode, which looks shocking. Doesn't look great at all, right? And I have to go in manually to every document that I use and actually take it off the contrast filter. So that's just a note. If your document's looking odd, go into the contrast filter and change that. So that is what it looks like in color on my iPad, right? And it actually gives a decent representation on the Paper Pro. But when you've got the contrast in adaptive mode, now when we compare the two, see how gorgeous that is and then how not gorgeous that is. It's just really stark. So yeah, just a quick tip. Turn off your contrast if it's looking odd and you will probably get a much better view, or at least play around with it down there in the contrast tab. Awesome. I'll see you on the next one.